What's up, everybody? It's Abdurrahim here from Arusha, Tanzania. Actually, Peter Mckinnon, shout out for you for giving us a B-roll challenge. But I'm your best fan. Actually, I'm your best fan because your videos makes me be motivated and do what I gotta do with camera. Playing around the camera, I mean here. Okay, for further info, let us see this B-roll. I shot it. It's amazing B-roll, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I hope Peter Mckinnon, perhaps you may see this, and it's very great. Further info, let us just get started. Boom! Yo, back again here. I hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll. It's amazing, man. So shout out to everybody. Shout out to Peter Mckinnon for giving us a B-roll challenge. It really makes us all understand how B-roll works. It's very amazing. It's a good challenge to get you started knowing what you're doing and knowing the basics of a B-roll. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, it would be amazing. My name is Abdurrahim if you're new here, and if you didn't like that video, make sure that you like it. So yeah, hit that like if you want to like, subscribe if you want to subscribe, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.